my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to find and delete your search history on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Go down till we get access your information. Here you can find your recent search here in this box. If you want to delete your search history, just press on See More. After that, click on Clear Searches. Now it's deleted. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to find and delete your search history on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.